Hi, Remy. This is what it looks like when you get Italian food takeout for 5 people. The table is full and everything. Uncle Aaron, can I have your food?
Go lay down.
Can I have your food?
Go lay down.
Can I have your food?
Hey. Thank you.
Uh-oh. You set off the old lady.
Hi, Katie.
What is this?
Hello. You got blackheads.
I'm sure I do.
We should do face masks.
No, thank you.
Bye, AA Ron.
Hey. See ya.
Bye. Bye.
Hope, stay here. Stay here.
Come here, Hope.
Did anybody walk with you?
Good girl. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. It is 8:15. Cheers, we've got coffee. And some of that footage was from yesterday. My brother came to visit for dinner because his sports team that he works with from the university in New Jersey that he works at, was playing a Connecticut team up here, so he decided to come for dinner. And that's why Amanda and Noli weren't here, because it was more of a work thing rather than a fun time thing. So we ordered some Italian food, we had dessert, and hung out, and that was it. So that was that footage from yesterday, and today is today. So, yeah, good morning. Happy Sunday. Come on, Sol. Jump. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Don't judge me. My hair's a mess, but I got my buddy, and we have sun. Hallelujah, we have sun. Which means we should probably go sit outside in the sun, but honestly, does anyone else feel like Sundays are, they're supposed to be like a rest day, but I don't know. I like Sundays because we just get cozy and we get to, not that we're not cozy any other day of the week, but I don't know, we just get to hang out. And, yeah, me and Sully are gonna pick something to watch on YouTube, huh, buddy? We gotta catch up with our friends, huh? With our friends who have dogs and our friends who support us, so we support them, and yeah. Sully is big fans of all the dogs in the YouTube videos. Okay, go ahead.
What's up?
Go ahead. See, we have sun, but it's deceiving. I'm cold, but I'm also kind of in the shade. Anyway, I don't know. I was just gonna do my morning meditation out here with the birds chirping and just appreciate you know, the land and, you know, what God made for us, and with my babies, my doggies over there. I would have had coffee, but I already had coffee this morning, and I don't need 2 cups of caffeine today. So, yeah, but I'm going to do my meditation, and excuse my hair because I haven't gotten, I mean, I'm dressed, but I haven't gotten ready for the day yet because I don't know what we're doing yet. I may be a little chilly, but it's nice to see my friends here enjoying some sunshine and sunbathing. I'm going back in though. It's cold. So we're going out for a little Sunday road trip, and I'm packing my little bag. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name because I'm going to butcher it, but I have my AirPod headphones in my donut case. And then I have a mask. Doesn't match my yellow shirt, but it's fine. Spring colors. And then I have my ID in here and everything too, but, you know, don't need that. And then this bag has a really cool thing, or you can just put the loop through the handles like this, and then snap the handles together. If I can get my fingers to cooperate here. Why is this not?
Dan, are you too tired to drive? You want me to drive?
Oh, and I'm also wearing my new periwinkle shoes that I got for my birthday. Everybody wanted to see what they look like on, so this is them. And I got my backpack, and I'm ready to go. Sally, hi buddy. Hi buddy. Look at the daffodils and how many people are taking selfies. Guys, this is the same park that we came to like 5 months ago to see all those Christmas lights. They do daffodils every year. I at least want one cliche picture in front of
Well,
them.
you're good with getting out of the car, right?
Yeah, I'm good.
That's what I'm saying. If we could get out, maybe we could walk.
I figured let's drive through once
Yeah, okay,
and figure out
I'm good.
like
I'm
the
down
good
with
spot.
But again, if there's a parking lot, then we can get Emily out. Of course, I don't have the handicap permit.
It's
So we're
okay.
not doing that.
Because we've been using the van a lot this week.
Sit on the bench.
Oh my god, actually I'm not dark climbing up that hill, but that would be a cute photo.
You can take Daddy and my picture at the bench. What?
I'm saying I'm the, oh look at this lady, she's good. She's doing a photo shoot right there. There you go.
Taking her picture.
No? Oh, I thought she was,
How far they go up into the woods.
I thought she was posing. I thought she was in her element there.
Oh, pretty. Pretty.
Oh, look at the little kids. Aww. Actually, we could take, no, I was going to say we could take our Christmas card here, but we're missing the other 7.